I'm Ross.
I'm Iron Man.
Oh wait, we're going to superhero names? I'm Spider. Wait, I'm Black Panther.
And we're unboxing the brand new iPhone XS. And we got it to compare with the XS Max and the iPhone X.
Oh my god. Feels so sexy.
Designed by Apple in California.
Oh, sexy. More appeal? Whoa, what's this?
That's a SIM check tool.
This is different from the one I have. Okay. And stickers, because we like stickers. I'm gonna stick them all over. Not my phone. Oh my god. It's golden. Oh my god. Do we have to take off the plastic because it looks pretty nice like this? So clean.
So we got the iPhone X. It's about the same size as the iPhone XS.
Will you turn this on?
Let's do it.
Press and hold. Apple.
So look at that, brand new magic. You just put the phones next to each other. It realizes that there's a brand new phone nearby and you want to transfer all of your data. So you hit continue. And you put the magic QR code on the device and it scans it. And you enter your passcode.
Hope this preach.
Finish on the new iPhone. Keep this iPhone near your new iPhone while your information is being transferred, and just magically it sends all your data over.
There goes my baby. Second scan complete. From iPhone 10 to iPhone XS and to iPhone XS Max.
Got the Max right here, 10S right here, and the 10. Ross just finished transferring all his data from the 10 over to the 10S. How was that experience?
It was quick, almost less than 30 minutes. Everything just happened so nicely. Now all I gotta do is log in everything and I'll be all set to go.
Yeah, I'm most excited when it comes down to the 10S Max. The screen size, the battery size, and this gold finish. It's beautiful compared to the space gray, and matching it with the brand new Apple Watch, the Series 4 gold. The stainless steel on the gold here and the aluminum. I love the finishes, absolutely beautiful. So I'm super excited. The Plus actually reminds me of the XS Max. It's the same size, it's just edge to edge display. And then the X reminds me a lot of the iPhone XS here. Same size, just better internals. So that concludes our brand new iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and comparison video between the iPhone X. Feel free to drop a comment below. Let us know what you think, what phones you're gonna get. And
Like and subscribe to this video.
yeah.
Stay tuned for next time.